am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard. Create integrations. Search for and select ConvertPro as a trigger. Now choose a form or a task name. Click the Fetch button. Next, go to your form page. Fill out the form and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select an action. ConvertKit. Give here the API Secret Key. So please visit ConvertKit API token. Under the API you can show API Secret Key. Click on Show and copy the key and paste it into integrations. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Now click on Next. Select a form. Select tags. Map the respective fields. Under the actions you can update ConvertKit by checking the box. Here are advanced features in conditional logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now, let's fill out a form. Submit the form. Now go to ConvertKit site. And you can see the data came successfully in the ConvertKit. Thanks for watching.